What's up, Cavo? What are you up to today? I might be free again today because my girl isn't home, so I might pass by.
I was actually about to call an Uber since I woke up not so long ago because I need to fetch my car all the way at the Tropics dealership. I have a new ride. You know how we do it here.
Yen? Wow, you're really making some money these days, huh? Let me not pocket watch. I guess my cat will be lonely today because I just walked past it. I wonder if there's something in the kitchen for me. The dog is probably outside somewhere, but let me get in the car and head to you, Cavo.
Yeah, pull up on me. That would be a really huge favor, and please step on it because you live quiet far from me. Hey, I always have to play the waiting game because they live so far from me, but I know his car isn't slow at all.
Don't worry about it. I'm in the garage and leaving the house now. There's just normally a lot of traffic at this time of the morning, but I'll manage it. Just mustn't find any cops on the road.
I doubt there would be cops so early in the morning, bro. So you can step on it and get here quickly. You don't live close to me.
Yeah, you're right. I will first start at the gas station because my fuel is running on low. There's just a traffic issue here where I live because everyone is going to work. That's exactly why we always choose to go out at night, vampire hours, so that we do not get disturbed in any way, especially with the cops.
Exactly, but I know you got good driving skills, bro. So I don't know why you keep mentioning the traffic. You just need to pour your fuel and stop playing around. None of our cars are slow.
Yeah, I'm already at the gas station. I'll be there in 1 minute, just watch.
Drive safe, bro. Don't want any stupid mistakes. I don't want to feel bad for always calling for a ride.
Cavo, I am really close, so you can start going down the elevator. You will see me parked up front.
All right, cool. I'll probably see you pass by because I am looking out the window as we speak. The city views are always the best. When I see you pass by, I'll make my way down.
Take a nice video of my car from there and send it to me on iMessage. You take the best clips, and we could use some of those for TikTok to show the others how we do it this side.
Sure thing. Let me do that right now.
I wonder what's taking Cavo so long to get down. Is the elevator really that slow? I've been waiting here for about a minute now, and I had told him I'm close while we were on the phone call.
What's up, man? Thanks for hurrying up. These rides really help me a lot. I would be wasting a lot of money on Ubers. But let's take a right turn here, and another left then onwards. The road is straight.
Cool. Let me play some music since the ride is really long again.
Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no after me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it. Thank God that we got it. Listen, I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I
out and check the car quick. Park your car so we can both see it for the first time. Okay, I'm actually kind of nervous but happy at the same time. Let me open the doors quick. I like the white paint job. Still deciding on what wrap to make it after here.
I think this is perfect for it. Just have to add chrome rims on and you good to go for now. Great car choice, man. We can be matching even more now. Have to tell the rest of the crew to catch up.
Let me hear the car quick. Let's go fetch the car paperwork, sign, and get out of here. We heading to a campsite around the mountain city after here. Spending the night away from home without the crew or our girls.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that. Let's actually hurry up. But I don't know if you have any extra clothes packed somewhere since this is a new car. I always have a hoodie or something in my boot for such measures and surprises. Good luck to you in the cold while camping.
I'll be fine. Let me just take this paperwork and we can bounce. The car excitement will keep me warm just for one night. I'll make a fire if I have to keep extra warm. That's what camping is for, right? Get inside your car and let's leave, bro. I'll be right behind you.
Okay, cool, let's go.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legend, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the west, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, how you did that? How you yelling slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds in this police acting, someone gon' get wet. I ain't gon' get me when you still on me, how you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's a wrap. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Gun fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legend, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the west, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, how you did that? They hit your man, you get no stranger, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? But the local toast, but she hooked up, yeah, I did that. Keep on shit than you know, and she like, how you get that shit, you got a romantic on your hoe. Black me, best hit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like promo, me and gun them diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just all kind of full of money. Love how about dumb shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legend, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over the west, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, how you did that? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me grab my cash here quick. It's an off day at work today. That's why it's so quiet.
I was literally about to ask why it's so quiet. Let me open my boot and grab my jacket because it's cold this side for some reason.
Grab it quick while I double check the map and give you the directions to where we will be camping tonight. The sun is about to set, which means we did everything perfectly, but my car will be dirty and I just got it. Now that's sad.
We will go to the car wash first thing tomorrow morning. You decided to be spontaneous now. That's the consequences. Let's get in the cars and hit the road, bro. You better be buying us something nice to eat and have a barbecue with all the money you just collected.
Real funny, man. You don't worry. Everything is already sorted. You know how organized I always am.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
See, everything is planned out well. We spend the whole day and night here, and we go home tomorrow. The food is here already, and all we have to do it, make it now. Just look at my new car parked behind me, man.
Everything is well planned out, man. Now, I don't know if we should call the crew up here or we should go to the city and they find us there. But I also think them coming here is a better idea since there is enough space and no one is here camping with us right now.
Facts. Sounds like a nice idea. I'll call One Stock and Bambi and let them know that they can find us here tomorrow. Then we see where we go from here.